Okay, you're good and you're recording.
Yeah, I do.
It's awesome because the brown right past the camera. Okay.
Going?
Yeah.
Cycling.
Okay.
Hey YouTube, Boob here. So you guys saw the shooting vid of my TulAmmo test. That was like 200 to 300 rounds. I can't remember exactly how much. It was at least 200, but I had a whole bunch already loaded when I got there, and I had some loose ones. But yeah, it was at least 200. As you can see here, I got the boxes from the range. So yeah, it was at least 200 rounds, but I'm pretty sure it was more like 250, 260. Here's how it shot. I shoot Glocks. I shoot my Glock low and to the left, as you can tell. But yeah, I wasn't really going for accuracy. I was going for I just wanted to see how the ammo would cycle in my gun, and it cycled fine. I had two, as you saw in the video, I had two problems out of all those rounds. One of them was a double feed, and the other one was a stovepipe. So no huge issues, but you know, by and large, it cycled pretty well, and that's how it showed up. I mean, that's mostly me and the fact that I was not really trying that hard to be accurate. I was just trying to shoot as many rounds as fast as possible. And at one point in the video, I take my right hand off the gun because I'm right-handed, and I hold the gun in my left hand, and I kind of go ugh, and that's because of carpal tunnel. It's not because of a failure in the gun or anything. So, all right, guys, yeah, this is how the ammo showed up on target, and let's see how dirty that gun is. Here's the Glock. Oh, you can see a nice coat of the crap right there on the bore. Let me get it open. Oh, I'm gonna need two hands. 1 second. And then we can look down in there and see how horribly filthy that is. So I'm gonna have to clean that later tonight for sure, and maybe I'll do a video on that. Who knows? Alright guys, this is the end of the TulAmmo test, and my conclusion is it does not suck. Thanks for watching, guys.